Welcome to another episode of my vlog. So for this topic, for this content naman, itong vlog na to, I will be showing you photos. So tatawagin natin sa episode na to, my photo album. Ayan. Go a trip down memory lane. Unahin natin itong first photo. Alam nyo guys, noong 2015, 2014, meron kaming grupo that was called the Basket Boys. Ano siya, group namin sa Bubble Gang at nagba-basketball kami every Sunday. So kita nyo sa picture na to, nandito si Igan, si Ninong Igan, Arnold Clavio, dito si Kuya Ogie, Kuya Tonyo, siyempre si Kuya Vitor, si Kuya Pau, si Mick nandito nakapikit, si Kuya Yani, Kuya Bayani, si Rodfield, si RJ, si Kuya Art, and many more. I believe itong Basket Boys na to, nag-last siya ng mga 3 or 4 years na consecutively naglalaro kami ng basketball together every Sunday sa QC. Ano siya, parang fun bonding experience sa amin, and it helped us a lot kasi syempre mas naging close kami as a group and mas nagkaroon kami ng off-taping interactions that feels good. Diba? It feels good to know more about your coworkers. And syempre, a lot of these people right here are seniors sa akin. So I learned more about them and syempre, got to ask them what it was like. Siyempre, nakahinga ko ng advice. So, mahalaga tong picture na to at yung time that I got to spend with them. Relationships built as well. It's very important. Next one. Speaking of relationships built, itong picture na to, number 2, is a picture of us. And itong grupo na to is called the Teen Gen Group. Kami yung magkakasama na pumasok sa showbiz ng sabay-sabay through a show called Teen Gen na na continuation siya ng famous na hit na youth-oriented show before, which was TGIS. So kami na yung mga anak nila. Kasama ko din si Jeric, of course, na artista pa rin. Mikoy, kami na lang yung active ngayon. Si Thea as well. Si Gianna Revilla, si Diane, and si Sunyi. Matuturing kong itong mga to, parang mga kapatid ko na sila kasi syempre kahit nasa industriya kami, we've formed such a organic bond dahil hindi pa kami nagkakaroon, wala pang mga social media during that time. Syempre nagsimula kami all from zero. So, para kaming magkakapatid na sabay-sabay lumaki. So, very special sa buhay ko to. Si Jeric at saka si Mikoy, at saka si Thea. Hanggang ngayon, I still see them regularly. Next one naman. Alam nyo guys, palagi ko, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo yung mga content ko na sinasabi kong short course culinary student ako. Ito ang pruweba na short course culinary student ako. Nag-aral ako ng cooking, di ba? So, marunong ako ng mga knife skills, Tama, di ba? Sa mga culinary people out there, tanong nyo yung chopping technique ko. It's called the bear claw. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon yun, pero yun talaga yung proper posture. Proper form. So, short course lang siya dahil 6 sessions or 8 sessions lang. 6 hours each. Tinuruan kami ng Actually, si Chef Boy Logro pa nga nagbigay sa akin ng discount sa school niya. So, tinuruan niya kami na, syempre, yung mga basics sa cooking, paano mag-boil. Yun lang yung natutunan no? Hindi, marami pang iba, syempre. Anyway, okay. Unang hirit. Kasama ko dito si Hiro, tsaka syempre ang field director namin na si Jello. This Unang Hirit was a big part of my life, and I'll tell you why. Kasi through Unang Hirit, nagkaroon ako ng confidence mag-loan para sa isang sasakyan. At natapos ko ang sasakyan na yun habang nasa Unang Hirit ako. So 5 years ako tumagal sa UH, I bought my first car. At yung Unang Hirit ang nakapagbayad ng monthly amortization ko sa kotse na yun, walang lab. Siyempre maliban doon, the relationships and the bonding na naitayo ko or parang napag-grow ko through Unang Hirit. And siyempre also the confidence. At wag natin kakalimutan na doon ko nakatrabaho si Joyce. Unang Hirit is very special for me. Next photo is a picture of me. Kasama ko yung mga ka-varsity ko. Dati, varsity ako noong college ako. Hindi lang ako mukhang college itong panahon na yun, pero nag-varsity ako ng basketball noon. So ito yung picture namin kasama ko yung mga teammates ko. Hindi kami nanalo dito, pero masaya naman kami. Yun naman yung important dun eh. Next photo is a picture of me and Joyce. I'm not endorsing this place, but it's called Sip and Go, where you paint and you also drink wine. So, kita niyo naman yung painting ko. Ang tawag dyan, abstract art. May sinusundan kaming mga parang pattern, and that's what I came up with. Yun yung nilid ng puso ko. So, I think we still have this painting. And si Joyce, di mo, ang ganda nun sa kanya din. So, nag-enjoy kami. Para sa mga gustong mag-date dyan, this is also a very, very good idea. Nakapag-bonding kami dyan. At hindi pa kami ni Joyce nito, nanliligaw pa lang ako sa kanya. Okay, last photo. Ito ang araw na very controversial sa aming mag-asawa. Dahil kiniklaim ko, and I do believe in my heart, that this was our first date. Si Joyce hindi. So I took this photo December 3, 2018, and ito yung first time namin na to get together outside UH. So this is why it's very memorable for me. Kita nyo, nagtatry ako grow ng balbas niyan. And kita nyo naman that we have aged. We have aged. And looking back at this, para nakakaano siya. Medyo nakaka-emo siya. Kasi syempre, dami na namin pinagdaanan, may 2 kids na, etc. So, I had a good time right now to take a trip down memory lane. So, sana nag-enjoy din kayo. And that ends our vlog. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. At thank you for watching and sharing. Di ba? Manifesting na ako na i-share nyo tong video na to. Yun lang. Anyway, bye guys. See you again next time.